This package is from Sleeping Bear Press. Thank you so much. And it contains 2 picture books. So let's get started. The first one is this picture book, Welcome to the World, written by Helen Foster James, illustrated by Petra Brown. And it is a keepsake edition. Includes a special page for baby's photo. Oh, that's nice. So it's kind of like a baby book. Oh, here it is, Baby's First Days. So it's like a baby book, picture book. I think that's the only page you personalize, but like let's check it out. It has very nostalgic illustrations, doesn't it? Kind of remind you of sort of like a old-fashioned, from another, kind of when I was much younger. And so these look like bunnies, although they have very interesting ears. And so they're welcoming a new baby bunny. So it's just a story about kind of book of firsts for this baby bunny. It does have that one personalization page. So you know what this book is perfect for? This is perfect for siblings who are welcoming a new baby into the family, because you can put the baby's pictures here, but then you can also read the story. You can talk about how, what it was like when everyone was a baby. And it's something that you can read, with the children on your lap, or when the baby's asleep, or even as they get older, the kids can read to the baby, or, pretend to read if they're not reading independently yet. The second book is Letters from Space. It is written by Clayton Anderson and is illustrated by Susan Batori. And there's been a lot of sort of moon, space books out. And I think last year was the anniversary of the Apollo mission to the moon. And I think that's what spurred a ton of them. But there was just a lot. And it was interesting to me because it wasn't like we really have that many sort of space exploration milestones since 50 years ago. So that was my takeaway from reading all the new books about space, thinking like, we haven't really made it to Mars yet. I mean, there's some, but it isn't to the same level that it was 50 years ago. And so this is a postcard that came with it. Oh, and there's another book to accompany it, A is for Astronaut, which is also by Sleeping Bear Press. And so this looks like, one of the, I forget what it's called, but it's picture books where they're just basically letters, back and forth letters. And so, here is, I guess it's someone on Earth, a child perhaps, writing to the astronauts. And the illustration style is, very kind of comical, a little bit, exaggerated, cartoony. So I'm thinking that the letters themselves also must be funny. So perhaps it's informational about what does happen, as well as a funny story, because there's definitely elements of humor, because here's an alien built in to the story. So let's see. This is back matter is information that's more about an astronaut, or just I guess more factual information about what it really is like, versus the more comedic version. Oh, here you see the alien. And Clayton Anderson is an actual astronaut who spent 152 days aboard the International Space Station. So I guess then in retrospect, the next leap from 50 years ago when we visited Moon was to have a space station. I guess that was our, and then also to get the, the Voyager, or the Hubble telescope, just getting it out there and getting images back. I guess that's our big achievement in 50 years. So I think this is fun that it's an actual astronaut, and so you feel like it's happening. Like it's true. Like it's someone writing to an actual astronaut who's writing back and sharing, sort of his sense of humor of what it's like out there. And then here again, you see the other traveler, the alien. So, and I guess the figure is meant to be him, just more comedically. Yeah, I don't know if there's exact resemblance, but they just wanted to make him funny, look funny. All right, great. Looks like fun. I'll enjoy reading that. I have a astronaut list, so I'll add it to that. And then this book, I have a welcoming a new baby to a family with siblings, and I'll add that. I'll add that book to that list as well.